Alright, go. When you get right here, do some sparks. Press on it. You got me hands, speechless. Alright, now go. Start from right here, then do it again.
Right?
No, right here. Right here. Stop.
Let me start from the car.
When you get in front of me, then press on the sparks. Press. You okay?
Wipe out.
Do it again. One more time. The director is Santana, and the boy that just fell off the scooter is Malachi. Say hi, Malachi.
What's up?
Alright, go ahead. As soon as you get in front of me, step on the brakes. Step. Step. Say bye.
Bye.
What's your name?
Malachi.
This is Santana. Peace.